What's up and how you doing? Welcome back to What's That Noise? So last week I played you this sound. So that sound was the sound of, well, let's talk about who won it first. I mean, at this point, we almost call this series, Chris Ash answers all major hardware's noise questions. So he got it right with his comment right here. And yes, Chris, you are right. This is the sound of a mechanical pencil. That's it. It's the sound of a mechanical pencil. So, without further ado, Chris has won a few times. But if you want to check out his page, links in the description. Not much on it, but go for it. Chris has always been good, and he's been always guessing right. So this week, the sound is... All right, so if you know what that sound is, make sure to leave a comment down below with your guess of what that noise was. And if you're right and you beat Chris, you might get your channel promoted in this next week's video of What's This Noise. And that's all there is to it. You guess right first, or you're the closest, and we'll take a look at your YouTube channel next week on the next episode of What's That Noise. So get down there and get commenting. Oh, hey, and if you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And of course, subscribe, because Chris needs some competition. He's been turning it up, and somebody's got to do something about it. Till next time, see ya.